Hi, welcome. Today, I'm going to show you what it looks like when I wear a full face of makeup, which, if you've been following along for a while, you haven't seen in years. So this should be fun. Right now, I just have a very clean face, like so clean it's almost like itchy. Step 2 is my own product, the Leo Oil by Astrologian. Whatever is left! Face, and what it is it's a mix of blue tansy, meadow foam seed oil, and rose hip seed oil, and it is kind of a wonder, and in a lot of ways was the thing. I'm going to follow that with this. I mean, if you're going to go all out with all those different layers, you might as well have some really nicely prepped skin. So this is a freezing cold jumbo face roller. Somewhere between $12 and $15, I would say. I got this one on Overstock like 5 years ago. So, to take this primer from Laura Mercier. This is the Pure Canvas Primer. It is silicone free. It is illuminating. Tip of my finger. And I'm going to apply it to my whole face. Very gently. But, always with lymphatic drainage in mind. So lightly applying pressure to stimulate the circulation in my face and help it do its job. Foundation, thin it out a little bit because, again, I am not someone who usually wears anything on my face because of my freckles, or that you can still see them. Mixing the two together, back of my hand, and then I'm just going to dampen my sponge. This is important. These things are not designed to work dry. I am just going to use the widest part of it to spread out that foundation in the sheerest possible way. It's either in a few places. This is called the Triangle of Light. And this is kind of where I put my under eye concealer. As opposed to trying to get it up under the eye, I make that little triangle and blur it out. Corner. You can use the extra on the sponge around your nose and mouth. This is the Laura Mercier Rouge Essential in A La Rose. And I'm going to take it, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and on my lips. Take the sponge and use it to just blend the blush. And I'm going to use the Sheer Perfecting Powder. Oh, gorgeous brush. And I'm just going to sweep onto the face very lightly. So then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder in Glow, and I'm going to use it to add my highlight. So I'm going to dip the sponge in it actually and kind of stamp it on where I want that highlight and smooth it with my fingers. Really dramatic application of this, but it's so pretty. An overall, like a lighter shimmer around the eye area and where you want that highlight. I'm going to take this Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder, more concentrated amount, kind of suppress the, and then do my nose, top of the lip. So fun. I'm going to use Intense Moonlight, and I'm just going to put it the inner and outer corners of both eyes. And as you can see, it is intense moonlight. Angelic. I'm going to take a little tiny bit right here, bow, and bottom of the lip. I'm going to use this red color and this lighter color. So I'm going to start with the red color, and I'm going to use the red color to add a little bit of depth to my pout. So I'm going inside the bottom. And then with the lighter color gloss, I'm just going to cover the outer parts of the lip. And there you go. Okay,